In today's episode, we are thrilled to welcome Ryan Duitch. He's the CEO and founder of Arrow.
Arrow was really inspired by talking to customers and people all over the country, trying to understand what their problems with credit, spending, and debt have been.
In the UK, I wouldn't have to face lots of struggles. So I understand the innovation that you are making towards user-based, and it will transform many people.
Where we've focused is how you get credit is an important consideration. We use some alternative data. We don't use credit scores. We use other pieces. But where we've really specialized is what happens after.
When you wanted to get your profession or your future ready, your past always follow you. But if you can break that excellent thing, because I have to break my string attached to my past and then bring a new future.
We've built this kind of journey that has lessons that are experiential with an AI coach that nurtures and nudges things that help you make the right decision.
Whenever I think for anything, first is the domain name available, because there are millions of businesses around the world. Even you don't know that the name you think has been taken away.
I think we went through hundreds of names before eventually landing on Arrow. I won't say that we chose it just because there was a domain available. Arrow represents someone on a journey and someone kind of slow and steady growth and journeying and development and eventually kind of like hitting a goal or target or etc.
Your insight on upcoming industry trends and how you are adapting to remain ahead.
In my space, I think one of the biggest trends is there is a lot of push towards open banking, which means using cash flow data. You already see the bureaus trying to build their own cash flow scores. You've just seen the Vantage score create another evolution that incorporates cash flow data. So I think there is a macro trend right now, which is where the industry had to head and does play a role in some of the recent regulation.